So here's the update on my garden. Today is July 9th, and I took a picture or a video about 2 weeks ago, so you can see the difference. You can see there's squash coming up now, celery, the cucumbers I had to replant. Over here I've got some bok choy and some huckleberries or ground cherries. Tomatoes did not do very well here. I ended up buying some and putting them in a different spot. This is more ground cherries. The peppers are actually starting to look a little better. And here is the kale, which is actually doing quite good. Behind there is extra beets I planted. The beans, yellow and green. More beets, potatoes, red, and also the russet potatoes. And then here I've got yellow onion, red onion, and also the white onion and carrots. And I planted two types of peas here. The shorter ones in the back are snow peas, and then these are just your regular. Under the green is arugula. I actually thought it was spinach, but I forgot what I planted. But I think it's arugula coming up. And more beets, carrots, and again, more radishes. The corn, some zucchini in the back. The watermelon down there is not doing good. But you know what? I'm going to give everything time. This is only the past 2 weeks, so I'm pretty happy the difference that the heat's made here. And yeah, I'm not quite done weeding, but just about. Thanks for watching.